Join your hands. Close your eyes. We are going to do Kids Anthem. Everybody close your eyes. Yes. Sit straight. Okay. Kids Anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Say good evening to all your friends out there. Open your eyes. Say good evening to all your friends. I'm going to show somebody who has come today to say good evening to you all. Let me show you. Open your eyes, children. See who has come today. Yeah. Dora has come to say good evening to you today. Okay? Hi, good evening. Good evening. Okay, I'm going to take this off. So Dora has come with a butterfly. See how she's lifting her head.
See me?
Okay. Was joined. Okay. Dora has said good evening. I was sharing the screen. Now I can see you. Wait, give me a moment. I was sharing the screen, so I was not able to see you. Lekshita has joined today. Okay. Are you able to see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Lekshita S. How are you? Good evening. I can see you.
Okay.
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Good evening. Good. Okay, children. Did you all see Dora who came to say good evening to you all? Yes. How many of you didn't see? How many of you didn't see? Show me like this. If you have seen Dora saying good evening to you, show me like this. Aravakshat, please sit straight. Sit straight. I cannot see both of you. Please sit straight. Why is my screen facing? Uma ma'am, are you able to see my video and hear the audio clearly?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
Okay. For me, it's little slow here. I don't know why. Okay. Yes, Gratvik, you are able to see me. Okay. Now, so tell me, I'm going to ask few of you, not everybody. Just we'll run out of time. So tell me. Hi, Kumara Kurubaran. Good evening.
Good evening.
Let me see you. Arav Akshat, tell me, what did you do? Good evening. What did you do on Saturday and Sunday, Akshat? Tell me. You had 2 days holidays, no? What did you do?
We will play.
What do you play? What did you play?
Aryan, who got her?
What did you play? You played what? Catch and catch or hide and seek? Or what did you play?
Hide and seek.
You played hide and seek. Okay. Hi, Jay Krish. Good evening, Jay Krish.
Good evening.
Good evening. Okay, Lekshita asks, what did you do? You didn't come last week, right? Why you didn't-
I was with my brother.
I was with my brother.
You were with your brother. What is your brother doing? Is he playing with you or sleeping?
Sleeping.
Playing. He's playing with you. Okay, he's sleeping. Okay, children. So quickly we'll mark our attendance. Okay, and then we're going to see. Nice, very nice. Okay, and then we're going to start the class. Very good, Jay Krish. It's nice. Very nice. I'm trying to see so that
My daddy, this is
Wow, so nice.
He has
Okay.
written all his family members' name, his daddy,
Okay.
mummy, his name, and his brother name.
That's what I'm trying to see, but I'm not able to read the
No,
words.
the video
I can
was
see
not
something is
there, I
written,
think.
but I'm not able to. Yeah, I can see the colors blue. I can see dark blue, pink, those, but
Now you can
yeah,
see
now I can see. Yeah, it's daddy written there, correct?
daddy.
Daddy,
This is
yeah,
mommy,
daddy.
and this is
And
Jai Krish,
mummy. Yeah, this is Jayakrish.
and this is his
Yes,
brother name.
Chintu. Okay, very nice.
This is for you, ma'am.
Very nice,
This
Jayakrish.
is for you, ma'am.
Very good. Thank you so much. When we come back to school, get it from you, okay?
Say thank you.
Yuvan
Thank you,
Sai,
ma'am.
please put your legs down. Okay, quickly, I'm going to call out your name. I want you to say, here I am, your name, and then yo-yo, okay? We'll start with Adya Shri quickly. Adya.
Here I am, Adyashri Yo-Yo.
Arav.
My name is Sarah. Here I am, my name is Sarah. How are you?
What happened to you? Why are you so slow today? What happened? Take out your shirt from your mouth. Who is it? Arav or Akshat? Take out the shirt from your mouth. Yes. Akshat.
Here I am, my name is Akshat. Yo-Yo.
Perfect. Arjun.
And my name is Arjun. Here I am. My name is Arjun. Yo-Yo.
Very good, Arjun. Dayanand.
Here I am. My name is Arjun. Yo-Yo.
Gautam.
My name is Gautam. Here I am. My name is Gautam. Yo-Yo.
Perfect. Dhruvik.
I am here. Here I am. My name is Kitvik. Yo-Yo.
No problem.
Here
Jayakrish.
I am. My name is Jayakrish. Yo-Yo.
Kaushik.
Here I am. My name is Kaushik. Yo-Yo.
Very good, Kaushik. You are back today. When I'm seeing you, I'm searching for you. Okay. Kavin. Kavin. Kavin, did you join us today? I don't think so. Okay. Kumara Guruparan.
Yeah, my name is Kumar.
Here I am.
Yeah, my name is Kumar.
Okay. Lakshita ji.
My name is Lakshita. I am here. I am ma'am. Yo-Yo.
Very good. Lakshraj.
My name is Lakshtaraj. My name is here. I am. My name is Lakshtaraj. Yo-Yo.
Lisha.
Here I am. I'm Lisa. Yo-Yo.
Lekshita S.
Yo-yo.
My name is Lakshita. Yo-Yo.
Okay, here I am. You have to say here I am. Okay. Satvik.
My name is Sakri. Yo-Yo.
Okay. Nikita Shri. Okay. Nivin Soya.
My name is Isia. Yo-Yo.
Roshan.
I'm here. Here I am. My name is Roshan. Yo-Yo.
Okay, Roshan. Mahaswan.
Yes, ma'am.
Here I am.
Roshan. Yo-Yo.
Okay. Ryan Roberts. Ryan.
चल
Here I am. My name is Ryan Roberts. Yo-Yo.
Hi, Ryan. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Sai Charan.
Yeah.
Here I am. My name is Sai Charan. Yo-Yo.
Perfect. Izan. Izan? No? Okay. Shiva?
My name is. Here I am. My name is Shiva. You.
Okay. 7?
My name is. Here I am. My name is Raven. Yo.
Very good. Varnika? Yes, Varnika? Varnika, where are you? We are not able to hear you, Varnika. I think she's on mute. Okay, Yuvan Sai. Yuvan Sai, please answer that. Go ahead, Yuvan Sai. Okay. Very good, Yuvan Sai. Okay, that's all we have done with the attendance. Okay, children. So what we are going to look on today is, before that we'll do a small exercise. Okay. Okay, everybody, keep everything down. I don't want any pencils or any notebook in your hand. Nothing should be there. Sit free, casually. Yes. Now I want everybody to stand up. Stand up. We had 2 days holidays. I know many of you will be little tired and lazy. So I want all of you to stand up. Ma'am is not standing, but I want you all to stand up. Okay. If I stand up, you'll not be able to see me properly. Okay. So now what we're going to do is stand first straight with your legs closed like this. See my legs closed. Like now when I say open, I want you to open like this. See, open. Okay. So first all close your legs like this. Yes, when ma'am says open, what you should do? Open your legs. Yes. You can either jump and open, or you can just open like this. Okay. First legs closed. Stand straight. Okay. Open. Open. Close. Open. Close. Only when I say open, you should all open. If you keep on jumping, I will stop the exercise. Keep your legs closed, everyone. I need to see all the legs closed. We are going to do together. Everybody is going to do together. All of our friends, right? So we're going to do together. No doing individually. Close your legs. Yes. Open. All together, one at a time. Open. Close. Open. Close. Yes. Now, like that, we're going to do for the hand. Okay. Close your hand like this. Like this. Yes. When I say open, we're all going to do together. Open. Okay. Close. Okay. We'll do together. Okay. Now first we're going to do open now. Open your hands. Open hands. Roshan, please open your hands. Yes. Now everybody together. I'm going to see everybody is closing or not. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Close. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Open. Slowly we're going to do. Then only it look nice. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Close. 1, 2, 3. Open. Open. Chia, open. Open your hands. Yes. Last time. Ready? Get set. Close. Ready? Get set. Go. Open. Yes, very good, children. Give a big round of clap for all of you, all of your friends, for you and for your friends. Very good. No jumping. Who is that jumping on the bed? Okay. So now, are you all active now? Anybody feeling sleepy or tired? Raise your hand. Let me see who is feeling sleepy or tired. Anybody? Roshan is feeling sleepy? Sleepy? Anybody is feeling sleepy or tired? No, right? Then I want you all to show me the smiley face. Only then we're going to start today. Yes, 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 Jai Krish. Yes, Lakshraj, Siva. Yes, Kaushik. Very good. Yes, Shravan. Yes, Rayan, Lisha, Kumara Guruparan. Very good. Yes, Sivan sir. Perfect. Yes, Lisha. Okay. Now, have you all shown me a smiley face? We're going to start today. You know what are we going to learn today? I told you on Friday. Remember? We are going to learn about a family. Family. Say family. Everybody open your mouth and say family. Okay. So who are all in our family? We have our grandparents, grandfather, grandmother, our parents, father, mother. We have brother or sister, then you will have them in your family. Okay. So I'm going to show you pictures. I'm going to ask, I'll call out the name. You have to tell me who I'm asking. Okay. Others, please stay on mute. Please. Okay, you're going to see the pictures. I'm going to show you the pictures. Okay. Are you all able to see my screen? You see a family picture here. This is a family. So, Lakshna, tell me who is this? Who is this uncle?
Grandpa.
Grandpa. Very good. He is the grandfather. So, what is your grandfather's name? Lakshna, do you know what your grandfather's name is?
Anna Chavan.
Sorry, I didn't get that. What is your
Anna
grandfather's name?
Chavan.
Okay. Okay. Who is this?
Grandmother.
Grandmother. Yes, this is grandfather and this is grandmother. Okay. Okay. Yuvansai, tell me how many grandparents do you have? One or two? Yuvansai, how many grandparents do you have? One or two?
Two.
Two, yes. Everybody will have two grandfather and two grandmother. How? I'll show you a tree now. Wait. Let me get that. That we can see. See? Oh, okay. So this is a family tree. Okay. See? Is the picture? Okay. So you will have. This is say this is you and Sai. Okay. This is your sister. This is your father. This is your mother. You will have two grandparents. Why? Your father will have a father and mother, and your mother will have a father and mother. Okay, so you will have two grandparents, two grandfather and two grandmother. Okay, so this is your sister, this is your father and mother, this is your grandparents. And who are these? Who are these? These are your uncle and aunt. Okay, these are your cousins. See, this auntie is your mother's sister. Okay, so she is your aunt, he is your uncle, and these are your cousins. Okay, so in a family, in your home, you might have your grandparents with you, or you might be staying with your father and mother, right? So I'm going to ask Ryan, tell me who are there in your family, Ryan? Ryan, tell me who are there in your family?
Father, mother,
Father, mother,
grandmother,
grandmother,
and my sissy.
and my Titima, Nani.
Wow, you have such a big family. Give a big round of clap for Ryan. Very good, Ryan. Superb. Very good. Okay. Now I'm going to ask Nivin Suya. Tell me who are there in your family, Nivin Suya? Father. Hmm.
Mother, sister, and me.
Oh, very good. Super, Nivin Suya. Okay, Mahasan, tell me who are there in your family?
My grandpa, my Lakshmi, my Yuksha,
Tell me who are there in your family?
Name Kadu.
my Yuksha,
Name Kadu.
my father, Lakshmi,
Hmm.
Lakshmi, Usha,
Names Kadu.
Marvin, M, Marvin,
నేమ్స్ అడగలేదు నేను ఎవరు ఉంటారు అని అడిగాను.
and
మదర్, ఫాదర్, గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్ అని చెప్తాను.
Father, mother. You have a brother or sister?
నో.
mother, mother,
Okay.
father,
You have a, okay.
grandpa,
గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్.
Okay.
grandfather,
Grandma.
Lakshmi,
Okay.
నేమ్స్ అడగలేదు.
Okay. Who is Lakshmi?
గ్రాండ్ మదర్.
Who is Lakshmi?
mother, Nenu,
Grandmother. Okay.
grandmother, Nenu,
Okay. Very good.
grandfather.
Very good, Lakshmi. Okay. Want to ask Grutvik, tell me who are there in your family? Grutvik.
చెప్పు
My friend, my mummy, daddy, Lakshmi, Aksapini, and mummy, uncle, and aunt, and Aksapini. Tada.
Okay. Okay. What is a grandma's name? I can see a grandma. What is a grandma's name?
Lakshmi.
Okay, your grandma's name is Lakshmi. You like your grandma?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, good. Okay, Lakshita ji, tell me who are there in your family?
Mummy, mute ka bolo karo. Father, mother, grandma, grandma.
Okay. What is a grandpa's name? What is a grandfather name? What is a grandfather name?
Uncle.
Rangan Tata.
Rangan Tata. Rangan Tata.
What is a Tata's name?
Rangan.
Again.
Rangan.
Okay. 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 So everybody got to know what is family. So in a family, you will have you have your father and mother. You have brother or sister. You will have your brother or sister. So Lekshita has got a new brother, and I saw somebody else also has got a new brother. I don't know who. I forgot. Okay. So many of you have got brother and sister. Some of you would have got cousins, and everybody will have father, mother, grandfather, grandmother. Okay, so everybody will have 2 grandfathers and 2 grandmothers. Okay, your father's father and mother are called paternal grandparents, and your mother's father and mother are called maternal grandparents. Okay, so in this family, if you see in this family, there is 1 grandfather and 1 grandmother. Where is the other grandfather and grandmother? They are at home. Okay, so these grandparents have come for the photo. So the other grandparents are at home. So this is 1 grandfather, grandmother, mother, father, baby brother. This is brother, and this is the girl. Okay, so this girl's father, mother, brother, baby brother, grandmother, grandfather. Okay, so what I want you to do is, if your parents are nearby, please ask them to take a photo of this. Okay, a snapshot, like a photo snapshot of this. So if you see here, you have to write your name here. See, I'm going to write my name here, Radha. Okay, let me not write here. First you take the snapshot, then I'll write my name. So what I want you to do is draw a tree like this, and then you're going to write your name here. Okay, and if you have a brother or sister, you want to write your brother or sister's name here. You're going to write your mother's name here. You're going to write your father's name here. Okay, and here you're going to write your mother's father and mother, and here you're going to write your father's father and mother. Okay, so everybody is taking a snapshot. Let me write my family tree. See, I'm going to write my name here. So you all will write your name here. Okay, so I'm going to write my name. Write my name, Radha. Okay, so I'm going to write my brother's name here. So I have a brother, so I'm going to write my brother's name. Okay, And I'm going to write here my father's name. Here I'll write my mother's name. Okay. Here I will write my mother's father and mother's mother. Here I will write my father's father and father's mother. So everybody is going to draw in a rough note this tree. You can complete this and give to me on Wednesday. You need not complete this tomorrow. Okay, if you complete it, you can send me the photo. If not, take your time, complete this and give me by Wednesday. Okay, so everybody is going to do this homework, family tree. So by this, you are going to know your father's father and mother and your mother's father and mother. Okay, children. So this is about family.
Ma'am,
Yes. Who is that, ma'am? Who has a doubt? Who has a doubt? Yes, tell me. Yes, Sai Charan. Tell me, Sai Charan.
yeah. I have it on the rough note or the worksheet, ma'am.
In worksheet, you don't have that picture. You have to do it in rough note. Okay? Okay? Yes. Okay, so we have done with our family. Okay, so now we are going to do a magic clap. Okay, so what we are going to do is, ma'am, I'm going to say, like, do like this. You're going to do along with me. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Like that, we are going to do. Okay, and then when I say clap, you're going to clap. When I say snap, you're going to do snap like this. When I go say tap, you're going to tap your legs. Okay, that we are going to do. Okay, everybody get ready. Hands, keep your hands free. Nothing should be in your hand now. We're going to do clapping now. See my hands, it's free? Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You're going to open it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. See? No, I don't want. You have come to senior KG. Don't just keep on clapping, okay? You're going to give us pause and break and then clap, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1. If you do along with me, you can do it perfectly. I can see many of you doing it very nicely. Slowly, okay? Slow. Don't keep on doing it. Slowly, okay? 1. Everybody, stop. You're going to do slowly with me. Look at me. What's our rule? 5 rule. Look at me. 1. 7, please do. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay. So now I'm going to say clap. What am I going to do? When I say clap, what will you do? Once. Snap. Tap your legs. Most of you are sitting on chair, right? Tap your legs. Yes. Kumaragopan, very good. Clap. Kumaragopan, clap. Snap. Tap your legs. Yes. Snap. Clap. Mahaswin, clap. I said clap. Tap your legs, Shiva. Tap your legs. I said tap. Lakshraj, that's not nice, Lakshraj. I didn't ask you to jump and dance there. We are doing an activity, right? Please sit. Okay. So we are done with this. Okay. So what did we do from the morning? We learned about the family tree. So what are you all going to do? You're going to draw the family tree with the help of your parents and you're going to write your family name. I mean, your members of the family. Okay, all their names. Now, we forgot to sing the rhyme. Yes? Let's do the rhyme. Butterfly rhyme. Sit straight. Fly, butterfly. In the garden, fly away. Over all pretty flowers. Fly, butterfly. Okay, last week I told you, right? I'll ask the butterfly rhyme. Today I'm going to ask somebody. Let me ask Mahaswin. Can you sing the rhyme? Fly, butterfly. Can you please
Fly,
unmute?
Fly, fly, butterfly, in the garden, fly away, over the pretty flower, fly, fly, butterfly.
Perfect. Bingo. Clap for him. Clap for Mason. Perfect. Very good. Okay. Lisha, can you sing time for me? Fly, fly, butterfly.
Fly, fly, butterfly.
In the garden, fly away.
Fly away.
Don't worry, I'll help you. Fly away.
I
Over all
fly.
pretty flies.
I butterfly.
Fly, fly, butterfly. Very good. Very good. Grithvik, can you sing for me, Grithvik? Thank you, Lisha. Grithvik, can you sing for me? Fly, fly.
Chai, chai, chai.
Fly, fly,
Chai, chai, chai.
butterfly, in the garden, fly away, over all
Cherry-o.
pretty flowers. Fly, fly, butterfly.
Very good. Perfect. Yuvan Sai, keep the pencil down and sing for the fly, fly, butterfly for me. I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
I fly.
I can't hear you. Please unmute. Yeah, go ahead.
In the garden, fly away, over but pretty fly, 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 butterfly.
Very good. Bingo. Very good. Okay, now we are going to sing a new rhyme. Okay, you know what is the rhyme? Today, what did we learn? I'm going to ask Lakshraj. What did we learn today? Lakshraj, what did we learn today?
See, we learn about family.
We learned about my I'm also
Both teacher बोलता है.
You're sad. You're sad, Lakshraj. Don't be sad. Look at me. You're my friend. You're my best friend. Turn. Look at me. Look at me.
ऐसा नहीं करो. शी गंदे बच्चे करता था. चुप.
Yes, ma'am.
Say hello, ma'am.
I'm going to give you the smiley. Only
What
the smile.
smiley?
See, it's coming to you. It wants to talk to you. I'll give you later. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. Yes, Rayan. Rayan. What did we learn today, Rayan? Tell me, what did we learn today?
Family. So
We learned about family.
My
family.
Yeah, we learned about family, right? So we're going to sing a family rhyme. Okay, my family. Okay. So you're going to sing along with me. Mummy, daddy, mummy, daddy.
Mom.
Okay. Please stay on mute. We'll sing. Okay. Mummy, daddy, mum. Who knows this rhyme? Who knows this rhyme already? Anybody know this rhyme?
I know, ma'am. I know, ma'am.
No. Okay.
I
Who
know.
knows that? Raise your hand. Let me see.
Lovely.
Satvik, know this rhyme? Satvik, you know the rhyme? Mummy, daddy, I love you. You love. I'll sing, you listen. Tomorrow we'll sing, okay? Others, please stay on mute. You want to listen, okay? Kumaragoran, please take your hands out of your ears. Mummy, daddy, I love you. You love me too, you care for me too. Brother, sister, let's all play. Sing and dance, laugh and prank all through the day. I'll sing one more time. Tomorrow I'll teach you, okay? You just listen to that today. Mummy, daddy, I love you. You love me too, you care for me too. Brother, sister, let's all play. Sing and dance all through the day. Okay? We'll sing that tomorrow. So now we have learned about my family and we sang those rhymes. We did the activity. Now we are going to do the worksheet quickly. Okay, before we start with the worksheet, I want to show you some pictures. So I'll show that first and then we'll do the worksheet. Okay. Okay, I'm going to share the screen. Bear with me for a minute. Yes. You're all going to see some pictures. Okay. Others wouldn't answer for so long. I'm going to get you some chance. Okay. I have to see my screen. Adya, tell me. Are you there, Adya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Adya, you see the first number 1 here? Number 1.
Yes.
Okay. You see this picture? What do you see in this picture?
Cat Cat is sitting on the chair.
Okay. Cat and then yes, it's sitting on a table. Yes, the cat is sitting on a table. See, it's keeping his legs and hands on the table and is sitting on the table. So is the cat inside the table or it is on the table?
On the table, ma'am.
Yeah, when you have something kept on it, it is on. It is on. You saw, remember last week I showed you there was a box and the cat was sitting on the box and inside the box. Do you remember? I'll show the picture again. Give me a moment. I'm just trying to find that. Yeah. You see this in and out? See, the cat is inside the box and it is outside. Okay. The cat is sitting on the box. Just get, yes, I think this is the one. You see this? I told you the box. See, this cupcake is on the box. If it is inside, then we'll say in. So now in this picture, the cat is on the table. Say everybody on. On. O-N, on. Okay. Next one, Sai Charan. What do you see in the second picture? Thank you, Adya. Sai Charan, what do you see in the second picture?
Dog.
Dog. And what is this green color? Table. Yeah. Yes, very good. The dog is under the table. Okay, say it is under the table. So under. Say under. Under. Okay. Next one. See. I'm going to ask Lekshita S. Let me get that. I'm sorry. Lekshita S. Can you please unmute?
Yeah, ma'am. Unmuted.
Okay. Do you see this first picture? What is this animal?
Cat.
Cat. Okay. Where is the cat? Is it inside the box or outside the box?
Outside the box.
Perfect. Very good. The cat is outside the box. Good. Kumara Guruparan. Please unmute Kumara Guruparan.
In the box.
Where is the cat?
In the box.
Yes. Kumara Guruparan, are you? Okay. Wait. Just me. Kumara Guruparan, I want you to. Kumara Guruparan, are you talking? Yes. Where is the cat, Kumara Guruparan? Can you say one more time? I didn't hear that properly. Where is the cat? I'll just get it. Where is the cat? Inside the box. In. Tell me. Yeah. In the box. Okay. The cat is in the box. Here outside the box. Say outside. Kumara Guruparan, say outside. On the table. Under the table. Perfect. Okay. Now, children, those who have worksheet, please take these two worksheets. One is day 11, LTWS01, and there is one more worksheet, day 11, sorry, D11, LTWS01. We are going to do these two worksheets today quickly. Those who have worksheet, please take this worksheet. Others, in the rough note, put today's date. And those who are in worksheet, please write your name in the worksheet. That will be helpful. Please write your name. Get to the practice of writing your name. Those who are rough note too, you can please write your name. Today date is 29/06/2020. Ma'am has written the date today and ma'am is writing our name. So you're also going to write your name there in the worksheet or in the rough note. Okay. So whenever I see in many of the homework, see when you write, you start your name with a capital letter and then it should be small letter. Don't mix like this. See, like this. Don't mix and write like this. That will get to a practice. So please avoid writing like this. Start with capital letter of your name and then see example. Let me take example Sai Charan. Okay, so start with capital S and then small letter. Capital letter and small letter. That will get into a practice. Okay, so always start with a capital letter and then go ahead with a small letter. So ma'am has written her name and today's date. So you also write your name and today's date. Everybody got the worksheet? Which worksheet you have to do? First, we are going to do this D11 LTWS01, this moon and star worksheet. Ready, children? We'll start. Everybody got ready with rough note and a pencil? Yes, show me thumbs up. Let me see how many of you are ready and how many are not ready. None of you are ready? Yes, I can see Grithvik, Yuvan Sai. What about others? Yes. Okay. Yes, Kumara Guruparan. Ready with rough note and a pencil? Yes, Adya, very good. Okay. So now we are going to start. I'm going to call upon Arav. Arav, please unmute. What do you see in this picture, Arav?
Star is
What do you see in this picture?
moon.
Okay.
Star is up of moon. On the moon.
Okay, very good. This is a blue sky. This is a blue sky. We see a moon and star. Very good. Okay, now tell me, Arav. Others, please unmute. I'm sorry. Others, please stay on mute. Except Arav.
Ma'am?
Arav.
What?
Arav, tell me where. Others, please stay on mute. Why is there so much noise?
What, ma'am?
Arav, please tell me where is the star? The star is above or below the moon?
Below the moon.
No, the star is above, up, above. The star is above the moon. Where is the star?
Above the moon.
Above. Above means up. Do you have fan? Do you have fan in your room now? Arav, do you have a fan in your room? Where is the fan? Where is the fan? Above or below? Above. Above. Like that, the stars are. So we are going to write above now. Everybody take out your pencil, write above A. A, D, O, V, E, above, write A, D, I write here neatly bit, A, don't write here, write it here, I'm just writing for others, A, B, O, V, E, above, the star is above the moon. Star is above the moon. Shiva? Shiva, please unmute and tell me where is the next, what is the next picture?
The star is
The star is above or below? Below. Below. When it is up, you should say above. When it is down, you should say below. Okay? Children, remember, when it is up, you should say above. When it is down, you should say below. Below. So I'm going to write below now. B E L O W. Below. D, say and write D E L O W. Below. Below. I repeat, when something is above on you, above, then it is, when it is up, you should say above. The sky is above our head. The fan is above our head. The roof is above our head. Okay, the hair is on our head. No, something is above. Above means up. When something is down, you should not say down always. You should say below. 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 When something is down, you should say below. You wear a chappal. Chappal is below. Okay, there's something which is down. The toy is below. So the star is here below the moon. Okay, here the star is above the moon. See, the star is upright. The moon is here. The star is up. So this is above. The moon is here. The star is down. So you should say it as below. Everybody wrote in your rough note above and below. I know my children are very fast in writing. I think they have written. Yes. Those who are still writing, show me thumbs up. Let me see how many are still writing. Those who are still writing, show me. Raise your hand. Let me see. How many are still writing? I think most are. Yeah, Kumara Gurman, very good. Yes, Shiva, good. Lakshita. Lakshita, ji, good. Very good. Very good. Please stay on mute. Please. That will help us. Please stay on mute. Yes, Dayananda, I saw that. You can show your notebook. Yes, Roshan. You show me a notebook or thumbs up. I will see. Yes, Lakshrat. Good. You're back. Very good. Yes, yes, children. Yes, Jai Krish. Please stay on mute, Lakshita ji. Okay, finished. Okay, we are going to move to the next worksheet. It's SR D11 WS02. Okay. I'm going to ask, I'm going to call. Let me check whom didn't call from the morning. Okay, I'm going to call Kaushik. 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 What is this animal, Kaushik?
What is this?
What is this green color? Frog. Whenever you see a piece of wood, you see trees, right? When we cut the trees, we get blocks of wood. That is called log. What is it called? Log. So this is called log. A big tree is there. Okay. When you cut the tree, you will get pieces. That is called log. So where's the frog, Kaushik? The frog is on the log or under the log? On the log. Yes. The frog is on the log.
On.
What is the frog? Where's the frog? On. On. O-N, on. See, ma'am is going to write. I'll just take the next one. Yes, on. See here. Let me write here. On. O.
On.
Yes, on. On. On the log. On. Kavin. Kavin is there? No, I think Kavin is absent. No? Yes, Kavin is absent. Okay. Gautam. Gautam, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah. Where is the frog? Do you see the frog? Do you see the frog? I'll show this big picture. Wait. Oops. Yeah. Where is the frog? It's hiding. Where is the frog? It's under the table or in the table? Under. Where is the frog? When you play hide and seek, what do? You go and hide somewhere, right? When you hide under something, you say under. When you hide something, see?
Under
It's
the
hiding.
table.
Under the table. Under. What do you say this? Under. When something on top of it, you sit on the chair. You sit inside the chair. No, right? You sit on the chair. You hide under the table. You hide under the chair. Under. So please write under. U-N-D-E-R. U-N. I don't have space here. Just give me a moment. I'll write it here, okay?
Ma'am, you are not audible.
I'm not audible? Oh, give me a moment. Am I not audible?
You are audible, ma'am. I can hear you.
Okay. Under the table. Thank you. So I'm going to write under, okay? So I'm writing it here. I don't have space. U-N-D-E-R. Under. Under. Say I wrote under. You also write in your upload under. The frog is under the table. When you hide something, when you play hide and seek, go and hide, right? Something when you hide, you say that is under. You say under the table. The frog is under the table. Next, I'm going to call Roshan. Roshan, can you see? I'll show you the picture. You have to tell me. Where is that? Oh my, it's searching. Roshan, you see this frog is where? Where is the frog? In the jar or under the jar?
In the jar.
It is in the jar or under the jar? In the jar, right? It is eating inside. The water will be in the tumbler or on the tumbler. The water in, right? Like that, the frog is in the jar. Okay, so we're going to write in. What are we going to write, Roshan? In. What are we going to write? In. Yes, you're going to write with me. Okay. N. In. The frog is in the jar. The frog is in the jar. I repeat, here the frog is outside. So you should say on. It is sitting on top of the log. Here the frog is hiding under the table. Here the frog is in the jar. Okay. The next one, I'm going to ask Shravan, tell me, where is the frog? Is it near this branch or it is under the branch? It is near or under?
Near.
When something is close to you, say you have a pencil, right? Is a pencil near to you? When something is close, yes. So then you say near. Okay. When you keep the pencil, see, I'll show you. I'll stop sharing and then I'll show you. So when something is nearby, you say near. Okay. So here I'm going to write near. N. Write along with me. N. E. A. R. Near. The frog, the branch, the frog. Both. The frog is near the branch. Okay. When the frog goes here under, then you should say under. Here it is near. Okay. Next, I'll call upon who will get a chance. Varnika. Varnika.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the frog, Varnika? It is inside the jar or outside the jar?
Outside.
Yeah, so we should very good. Out, right? O-U-T, out. O-U-T. Out. O-U-T, right? Out. Yes. Out. Yes. So in the rough note today, those are writing in the rough note, you should have written above, A-B-O-V-E, above, B-E-L-O-W, below, O N on, U N D E R under, I N in, N E A R near, O U T out. Let me see if you have finished or you people are writing. Shiva finished. Sit straight, Shiva. Even if you have finished, you sit straight properly. Look at ma'am. So what are the 5 rules? What are the 5 rules, Shiva? Eyes on to ma'am. Ears wide open. No talking. Sit straight. Foot on the floor. Yes. Yes, Shravan. Good. Yes, Roshan. Good. Yes, Arav Rakshat. Arav is showing me or Rakshat is showing me? Gautam? What happened, Gautam? You don't have to write, no problem, don't cry. Good, Shiva, good, Lakshita. Dayanand has finished. Yes, Arav Akshat, good. Kumara Guruparan finished? Finished? Yes or no? We have one more to write. Okay, Dayanand, I saw that. Yes, very good. While you were writing, I saw, yeah. Yes. Anybody still writing? You want some more time? Before those who are finished, are you ready for the activity? I'm going to stop sharing. Yes, Varnika, very good, Varnika. Everybody finished? I'll stop sharing. Are you people ready for the activity? I'm ready for the activity. See, I've got 2 balls, one an empty bowl, another with rice and a spoon. Yes, yes, Shiva. Thank you so much. Those who have will do the activity. Okay. So what are we going to do? It's very simple activity. Okay, just for concentration. What are we going to do is we are going to do 5 times. Okay. We are going to take spoonful of rice without help from any of your parents. Okay, I want you to do individually. Even if you pour or let it down, it's fine. That's no problem. Okay, you're going to just do concentrate and do take spoonful of rice, and then you're going to put it in that bowl. Even if you spill, that is fine, absolutely fine. But I want you to do individually, no help from anybody. Okay, so ma'am is going to do. Those who didn't have the bowl, no problem, you can try after this call. Those who have, you can try it with ma'am. Okay, see, I got an empty bowl, I got a spoon, I got a rice bowl. Are you able to see that? Let me ping and see if you are able to see me. Yes. Okay, see, I've got this. I've got here. Okay, so what ma'am is going to do, I'm going to show you. Okay, see. I think now you're able to see. So I've got. So let me see if ma'am is pouring it or not. Okay, I'm going to take the spoon. I'm taking a bowl with of rice. I'm going to try. I'm not going to take this bowl. I'm going to take the spoon. 1. Okay, I didn't spill for the first time. Next time I'll see. I'm going to take 2 full spoonful. 2. I'm going to take now. Let me see. I'm not going to do it. I did 2 times. I'm going to see how many of you have got. Let me check. Others. Who is ready? Who is ready with the activity? Shiva is ready. Aravakshat is ready. Lakshraj is ready. Shravan is ready. Very good. Others, you can, if you can get it, you can get it now. If not, no problem. Yes, Satvik is ready. Lekshita is ready. Very good. Gautam is doing very good, Gautam. I see that. Dayanand, are you doing, Dayanand? You do it individually without any help. No problem if you spill. Okay? Concentrate. Yes, Kaushik, what are you doing? You finished writing, Kaushik? Okay, don't keep it in your mouth. Yes, Gautam. Very good, Gautam. Lekshita is doing. Sai Charan is doing. Very good, Sai Charan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Those who are doing, please push the camera down so that we can see what you are doing. Can you push the camera down? Yes, Lakshraj, perfect. Lakshraj is doing very fast. Take a spoonful. Very good, Lakshraj. Aravakshat, perfect. I see your. If you spill, that's fine, no problem. Take a spoonful. Then only you can know how much you're doing. Take a spoonful and do. You saw ma'am took a spoonful of rice, right? You also did. Very good. Shiva has finished. Diana is going to do now. Yes. Varnika, are you doing? Okay, no problem. You do after the call. Okay, no problem. Okay, Satvik has done. Okay. Kaushik, you'll do later. Shravan has done.
Yes,
Ma'am, look, I finished.
Yeah, Jayakrish is going to do. Okay.
Yes.
You do it. Okay.
He
You
finished.
finished. Oh, I didn't see you. Okay, you finished. Good.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm going to finish.
no, I didn't.
How many of you spilled? How many of you
I
spilled?
don't.
You didn't spill at all. Very good. Okay. Very good.
I finished,
I will only two
ma'am.
times. Let me see if I'm spilling or not. I'm going to do the third time. 3, 4, 5. I too didn't spill it. Yay! High five. High five. Very good. Very good, Shiva. Very good, even Sai. You gave me high five. Even Surya, done. Very good. Adya, you did it, Adya. Good, Adya.
Finished, ma'am.
Good, Adya. Very good. Who was Aravakshat done? Yes. Shiva has done. He has done the reverse also. Shravan done.
Finished, ma'am.
Okay. Dayanand is doing. Very good, Dayanand. Lakshraj finished. Lakshita has done. Gautam is doing or done.
Ma'am, that is finished.
Okay.
Ma'am, that is finished.
Gautam finished. Okay, good, Gautam. Dayanand finished. Ritwik finished. Very good. Ritwik, did you spill down little bit?
little and
Little.
I'm finished, ma'am.
Very good, Ritwik. You told the truth. Very good, Ritwik. Very good. Good job. Yes, Lakshita. Very good, Lakshita. Varnika is doing very good, Varnika. Slowly, slowly. Don't spill. No problem. If you spill also, no problem. Yes, Lisha, done. Very good. Shiva, please don't. You fall down from the chair. Please sit down. Your foot should touch the floor. Yes, Lisha.
I'll do a left.
You're eating? Very good, Lisha. Did you like this activity, children? Yes. Who all didn't like?
Yes.
All like.
I like this activity.
You like this activity, so when you're at home, you can help your parents. Okay? Very good, Varnika. So don't. But you should. Okay, thank you. Please stay on mute. I want to tell something important. Okay?
I like, ma'am.
Very good, Rayan. Thank you so much. See, children, one thing you are helping your parents by doing this. 2, if you spilled it, you have to collect it back and put it in the bowl because we should not waste food. You know, farmers are working so much hard to get this fruits and vegetables for us. So don't waste anything. When you eat food, what you should do? You should bend nicely, take a food and put it inside your mouth. Okay? If you spill the food all over your dress and around the plate, you're wasting the food. Okay, so I did this activity so that you should learn to eat with a spoon without spilling it down. Okay, so will you all waste food? Will you all waste food and rice? Say no. No. You should not waste food, okay? When you're eating at home or when you come to school, when you use spoon for eating or your hand for eating, Don't waste food. Okay? Try as much as so that you take the spoon, take the food inside the mouth, bend and eat. Don't spill the food. Okay? Give me thumbs up. Show me thumbs up. Okay, very good. So quickly we'll do a recap. So today we learned about my family. We learned about grandparents, grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, cousins. Okay, and what you're going to do? You're going to write the name of your family so that all our friends and me get to know about your family. Okay, you can do it slowly. I repeat, you no problem. You can give it me on Wednesday or even Thursday, no problem. Okay, that one thing. Number two, we learned about in, out, above, below, in, out, then what did we learn? In, about, above, then under. Yes, above, below, under, in, out. See, you see this bowl and spoon? The rice is in the bowl. The spoon is on the bowl. See, it is on. When I keep it in, it becomes in. When you're able to see outside, you will say it as on or out. When I keep it inside, are you able to see the spoon? The one? No. So it is in. Understood the difference in and on, out? In, the rice is inside. Now I took it outside. Okay? This is on. And then we saw above, below. Everybody take your hands. Take your right hand or left hand. Say above, below, above, below, in, out, in, out. So this hand, no, my hand is going inside, it's locked. Now it's coming out, out. Okay? In, out, above, below. We learned that. And then we wrote our worksheet. With a small activity. Quickly before we wind up, I just wanted to show you the number names 20 to 50. Okay? So I want you to write again the number names 20 to 50 one time in the rough note today. Okay? So I repeat, some of you wrote till 100. If you want, you can write. But 50 is, if you write till 50, that is more than enough. If you want till 100, you can write it. Okay? So now everybody open your mouth before you end this call. 10, 1, 0, 10. TEN 10. I'll just share the screen. Give me a moment. I forgot about that. We'll just finish this call in 5 minutes, okay? Please bear with me. I'm sorry. Getting late. Yeah. 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10. TEN 10. TEN 10. 2, 0, 20. 2, 0, 20. TWENTY 20. See, one clue is there. For all this, it will end with TY. Remember that, TY. Okay? So TW, repeat, TWENTY 20. 30 30. 30 30. THIRTY 30. THIRTY 30. 40 40 40. I repeat. Remember, I told you one thing. Who can I ask? Okay, let me explain. We'll ask tomorrow. 40. FORTY. I think Varnika, somebody wrote FOUR. It's not UR. It's not 40. It is 40. Always remember it is 40. Okay. So FORTY 40. Then 50 50. 50 50. FTY, 50. So we have two homeworks. One, write the number names 10 to 50 in your rough note, and then family tree, write your names, and then come back tomorrow. Okay. So before we wind up, I think we've done. Okay. That's all we have for today. Did you all enjoy the class today? I enjoyed it. I enjoyed the activity. I enjoyed the family, especially everybody told me about your grandparents. Most of you, everybody will get a chance. We have this whole week, okay? So daily I'll ask somebody who you have to tell your grandparents and grandfather, grandmother name. Both grandparents, fathers and mothers. Okay, children? Thumbs up. So those who don't know, ask your parents about your grandparents' name and be ready tomorrow. Okay, this whole week. Okay? Yes? Till then, take care. Thank you so much. Say thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.